Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is video number 11. We've been gone for a little while, and they did quite a bit of stuff since we've been gone. Let's give you a look. Okay, let's get over this way to the middle elementary gym, which didn't waste no time bringing it down little by little. No wasting no time with this demolition. They did a lot since I was last here. Holy cow. Zero time wasted. I think they're on a time crunch. If I'm not mistaken, that'd be a time crunch they're on. Hopefully they're aware that they gotta save bricks for those that want the bricks, and not throw them out. Wow. As soon as my wife and I pulled up, we were able to park in the teacher's parking lot to view this. Thanks to the principal at Val Phillips Middle School for allowing that to happen, because we have to figure out exactly where to go, and the basketball hoops are still there. Probably not for a while. That rim is still on that one. Let me back away here. There's another one. That's got, sorry about that. It's got a frame in the back, but the frame is all screwed up. That's okay. I'm sure things can be done. Wow, it's interesting as hell. See how much is being done. With them being away for a while, we had to go take care of something and came back, and damn! That was crazy. Yep, they're gonna save these trees. The ones that got a red wrapper on. We're gonna be saving them. And then they're gonna build the track around it. So yeah, it's interesting as heck to see things like this come down and some other stuff replace it. Holy cow! Crazy. We'll be back here after some time afterwards. Now you can see straight through. I can see my shadow. That's just crazy, dude. It'll take long to go through this. It looks like the bulletin board's right there. Now that the sun's on it. The bulletin boards in the hallway to the gym, where the gym was. That's crazy. There's my shadow in my chateau. I am not afraid of my shadow, for it comes with me wherever I go. This is something else. Excavators on the side. Wow. Like I said, it does not, they're not wasting no time. No, not at all. Not wasting zero time. You can see straight over it by Central. No time was wasted at all. got a whole wall, still have a corner wall right in the corner beyond the pile of metal, and then you got another part connected to it, and then the other part after that is off. So they're not wasting no time at all taking care of this whatsoever. Bam. School's about to get out. It's about 2 something, going on 3. They're about to get out pretty soon. It's very, very interesting how things go. That is crazy. All the back windows are now out and around. So now all they have to do is bring it down. This is fast at how fast they knocked this elementary elementary's gym down. It wasn't there like that when we were there. Here before we left, it was good as good can be, and then they came back and it was exactly like this. Wow. Wasting no time at all. Gonna be wrapping up pretty soon. There's some helicopter. Alrighty. Now back to the demolition. You can see it more when we get over this side. Look at that. There was a they're putting all the what's called there. They're putting all the bricks and stuff over here in the mud. No idea why. And then you zoom in. There once was a wall right here where the pile is. That whole area was the elementary part of it. Man, oh man. That is as fast as can be. Holy cow. Wow. That's crazy. Oh yeah, they're over here getting these windows out behind this excavator. That is crazy, dude. How fast they go with 3 excavators. And that's crazy. They're not wasting no time. They want to get this down fast, so then they can start planning for the track and field that they are going to be replacing this with. Dang. Oh my word. Damn. Can't imagine. I remember recording the Webster Middle School gym. Oh my gosh. I had just one single video of that. Oh my gosh, it took a while just to knock it down. But when they bring down these beams on the side that's holding it up, it won't take long at all. Whatsoever. Tell me what you guys in the comments think about this. Besides wasteful, any kind of demolition, regardless of what it would be. I thought I had to move, but he's taking a bathroom break, so I'm gonna get back over here until you guys go. This is crazy. I enjoy, like I said, doing this for those who no longer live here. It's my pleasure. Move out of this truck's way so that way you can get out. That's a sister company to this company. Disposal, Cradle, Recycling. It's a sister company to the demolition company. Alright. Now this one's coming out. Let me get over on the other side. This is crazy and interesting at the same time. How fast they can get things down. That excavator right there can hire his seat exactly where it's at. I do believe that's the one that can do that. But anyways, this is still in place. They're just getting all these bricks and stuff like that, cinder bricks and stuff, and putting it in on top of this mud space. I don't know what the reason is, but I'm sure you guys in the comments would know. Let me know why they're putting down this cinder blocks on the mud. It's just, I gotta go take care of something tomorrow, being Friday. There is no school here in the city tomorrow, I mean, because it's teachers' session day, is what it is. And if I can go in where the playground used to be, over that way, I could get a good view looking that way forward, because that's part of the old middle school part. This part over here is still elementary, and up to the old part of it. So that's crazy. If you look at it, this setup right now, go back to the walkthrough. It's people walking in the hall, and I'm describing what the image looks like on the video. And there's bulletin boards on the walls for the hallway. That would be the Merrill Elementary School walkthrough. Look at this now, and then look at that. It will look so different when you look at it, due to the fact that it's almost nothing now. And it's like, holy cow. I think they're gonna wait on this wall, in the corner wall, and another part of the wall tomorrow sometime. Then they're focusing on other stuff right now. Filling this with bricks and filling the mud area with bricks and stuff. Wow. This is crazy. How far they have come since it started. That's why I number my videos so you can watch it in order. Especially with Webster Stanley, I number those in order too. I got a feeling they're going to be getting to the side of the building when the city of Oshkosh starts the demo of the Washington School on Winnebago Ave. Wow. That's crazy. Very crazy. Knowing that they have no school tomorrow due to teacher in service kind of thing, where they learn different things for teaching their students. We never did that when we were in school, but yeah, everything is different when you get out of school. Things change. They learn new things for the students that they have and how they want to change their learning, not change their learning, but better it, more or less change it. I'm gonna go over to Central Street. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna let you see this as I'm walking along. That is just nuts, man. They're just taking care of this. I'm sure they'll come back for the rest of the elementary school gym tomorrow. If they don't finish it today, they'll get on it tomorrow. All of this is coming down. They're gonna be working their way this way to the old part of the building on Kentucky. Crazy how fast. With 3 excavators, they can do a lot. You can do a lot of stuff with 3 excavators. It's like, holy cow. We gotta do something tomorrow. Oh no, shattered glass up by that green dumpster. All this is coming down. All of this. This is all elementary school, all the way up to the back of this building, where the door used to be. And then after that continues the middle school part of the building, the old part, where that door used to be in front of there. That is where it would start. Right in front of the dumpster is where the doors start for the old section of the middle school part. So yeah, this is gonna be crazy. So this is gonna be interesting in a way, trying to get all that with the excavator. Probably not able to reach all that, but I'm sure they will. You might have to get a bigger one and excavator in here to get the higher parts of the building. There's a lot of brick on this building. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see happen. still got the shade. Still got the shade. Little excavator. You're around Kentucky. Look at this mess. All this will be cleaned up eventually when. Look at that, a plane. Take off. I can't wait for EA 2025. That's gonna be a blast. I will be partaking in that. Not flying the plane, but attending it. Living locally. Oh yeah. My wife and I are gonna be subscribing to a membership before it starts. So then you get a discount. Membership discount. Which is EAA. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. There's me and my shadow. Try not to get the shadow in, but I can't do nothing about it. I'm trying to see if they're able to save this one and this one above the windows, and then saving the image above this doorway, architectural image above the doorway, and have it go to me, which in return I will take it and give it to Historical Society. If that can't be done, that's history going bye-bye. This above the doorway. I'd love to see if somebody could chisel that out for us. That would be awesome if they can keep it in good tack and order. If it can't be done, you get another one with M. The standard for it was in there in place in 1910. That stands for Merrill Middle. That would be a good historical thing to do. If it can be done, I'll talk to the guy that I know that's in charge of these guys with the chisels and stuff. That would be the third one right there, up there. I would love to see that saved, but I don't think it can be done. If it can't be done, can't do nothing about it. I gotta wait for tomorrow because the guys are gone. Because the trucks and cars that were by that sign, pedestrian ahead, crossing ahead, are not here no more. So I have to wait. And well, this is eerie because you can see everything. Look at that. Holy cow, it's so shady over here now. I can see everything. Holy cow. That's crazy. That is very crazy. That was a hallway. From that door, you walk that hallway. Damn. That's just crazy how things are happening. I think they do it a little at a time, the excavator. Because like I said, they work from the back to the front. That way nothing gets dumped in front of, unlike the sidewalk and stuff like that. So I gotta come back tomorrow once I can get a hold of him. He's subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you're watching, please see if we can get those 3-4 things from the front of the building possible. I'd appreciate that. I know you guys have a chisel. I'm sure you can carefully chisel out those the decorative things above the doorway and the windows. Holy cow. Area E, 1931. So all this side of the building is 31. Holy cow. That's crazy to know that. But not crazy to know that, it's good to know that. This is crazy that this is coming down. Interesting as that is, they stopped for the day. Now it's just the excavators that are cleaning up. OMG. Getting through the mud. Ew. Oh my gosh. They still got that sign up on the wall. I don't know why they don't take nothing down before they knock something down. Wow, that's crazy. That's very crazy. This guy stopped, so I got a feeling they're gonna stop altogether. We'll be back tomorrow. This will probably come down too. Oh, this will come down as well tomorrow. Once they clear out the area, they're gonna probably bring it down. So, yeah. Pretty soon. And now this area was added in 54. Probably because there is a booming population. They had to add on to the building because students needed more space in the school itself. So yeah, it's just crazy how time flies. Come on, bring some light. I don't know why my light is not on. I'm sure you can see good. As soon as they knock this stuff out, they get rid of this stuff, I'm sure they will. Let's see if we can get closer. Right there's two signs. There's two signs in that gym I wish they could take down. I don't know if it's painted on or if it's what you call it. That's a caution tape. That's flapping. I don't know, but I'm sure they'll knock it down. It's crazy though. Crazy. Oh, we'll be right back. They gotta take care of those windows and then they're good to go. All the windows will be out. All right, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna wrap this up, and we'll see you tomorrow. See ya.